Here is a series to help you write scientific manuscript easily. Why is it necessary to write and publish for a researcher? You know, every researcher wants to publish his findings. The research document is called manuscript, which is written, typed, or word processed. Submitted to a publisher by the researcher. Writing a manuscript is challenging and time-consuming, but it is a technique or a skill which can be learned through practice. Skills are to be practiced, and there are 3 things required to master this skill, and that is practice, practice, and practice. Hello everyone, I am Professor Dr. Saida Baig. As a researcher, writer, and an editor, I have observed early researchers find manuscript writing very difficult. Well, I consider writing skill is to be practiced. There is a saying, good writing is not a gift you're born with. It is a skill you can cultivate. Like all skills, writing needs practice. Now here I am sharing a series of short videos which will not only help you practice your writing skills, but in no time at all, you will be writing strong manuscripts which will be easily acceptable by the impact factor journals. Now let's have a brief intro about a manuscript. What is the manuscript of a research paper? The manuscript should be outstanding and should deeply represent your professional attitude towards work. Manuscripts should be complete, structured, and accurate. They should convey the results to the scientific community, complying with ethical rules. For effective publishing, following standards must always be observed. Number 1, title page information. Number 2, abstract structure. 3, referencing style. 4, font size. 5, line spacing. 6, margin. 7, layout. And 8, paragraph style. Every journal has this information, which is called instructions to author. It is given on every journal's website. Okay, now how to start? Researchers mostly start by writing the abstract, whereas it should be written in the last. First of all, start with methodology. Why it is to be written first? Because you may have tried a new method, and that should be written down immediately in case you forget. And sometimes it happens that you change the sequence of reaction, or you alter some reactions which give you the best results. So that should be jotted down immediately. So write methods first, then tables and figures, then results section, write introduction, write discussion, state keywords, and last thing to write is abstract. Okay, we will be dealing with all these sections one by one. If a reader is to grasp what the writer means, the writer must understand what the reader needs. So there are 3 steps to make your scientific writing more engaging. You should know who is your audience, what is on their mind, what is the current trend, what needs to be conveyed to them, and how it should be conveyed. Emphasize and create a logical flow. Logical flow is very important because flow in writing refers to how easily a reader can move through a text, continuing from one idea to the next. It is the impression of smoothness and continuity that a reader